Let's start with chapter number 4, pronouns. Let's link it. The question is, fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. One has been done for you. Sally and Diana went to the stationery shop to buy crayons. They reached the shop and asked the shopkeeper to show them crayons. The shopkeeper kept some crayons at the counter for them to select. Diana didn't like them. She said, "They are not good. I want to set with more colors." Suddenly, her eyes fell on a huge crayon set on the shelf. She said, "Show me those ones." The shopkeeper brought down the set from the shelf. He opened the box and showed her all the shades. Sally said, "I love these crayons. We will buy them." They paid him for the crayons and left his shop. On their way home, Sally said, "I want to have ice cream." "Do you want to have something?" Diana said, "I want to have ice cream too, butterscotch." Now let's start with let's crack it. Choose the correct personal pronoun from the bracket and fill in the blanks. First one, they go to Bhopal every year. Second, Suparna is a well-mannered girl. I like her. Third, you can talk to me. Fourth, Tahir came to the house warming party and gave us a nice gift. Fifth, he ran off all the way to give her the good news. Sixth, Kerala gave them chocolates. Now let's start with B question. Underline the demonstrative pronoun and circle the demonstrative adjectives in these sentences. First, this is Reena's desk. Here, this is demonstrative pronoun. Second, that cup is broken. That is demonstrative adjective. Then third, those oranges are sweet. Those is demonstrative adjective. Fourth, can you see that pillar across the road? That is again demonstrative adjectives. Then fifth one, these are the carpenter's tool. These is demonstrative pronoun. Sixth, these shops remain closed in the afternoon. These is demonstrative adjectives. Then C question, underline the possessive pronoun in these sentences. One has been done for you. First one, this is their car. This car is theirs. So here possessive pronoun is theirs. Second, that is their house. That house is theirs. Here theirs is possessive pronoun. In the third sentence, mine is possessive pronoun. Mine as well as yours. Then fourth sentence, I lost the pink hat. It was yours. Hers is possessive pronoun. Then fifth one, Tara forgot her book. She can borrow mine. Here possessive pronoun is mine. Then sixth one, the red notebook is on the table. It is his. Here possessive pronoun is his. Then in the D question, you have to complete the conversation using possessive pronoun from the box. In the box, certain possessive pronouns are there, so you have to use them in the correct fill in the blanks. First one, Susan, I left my book here. I can't see it anywhere in this pile. Sam, Susan, is this book yours? Veena, no, this is mine. My name is written on it. Sam, the name Tim is written on this book. It must be his. Tim, thanks, Sam. Sam, now that we all got ours, let's help Sam to find his. Susan, is anyone else books missing or do they all have theirs? Now, let's perfect it. A question, fill in the blanks with this, that, these and those, and then write in the boxes if they are demonstrative pronouns or demonstrative adjective. One has been done for you. First, look at this mess here. Here, this is demonstrative adjective. Second, that was a nice toy at the shop. It is demonstrative pronoun. Third, please ask Rustam to pass that pencil lying there. That is demonstrative adjective. Fourth, you went to Ajanta last year. Did you like those caves? Here, those is a demonstrative adjective. Fifth, Neha saw these drawings at the exhibition. Here, these is a demonstrative adjective. Then sixth, this is a fantastic poem. Who wrote it? It is demonstrative pronoun. Then seventh one, you will have to bring your own eraser. this is mine. Here, this is demonstrative pronoun. Then eighth one, all these clothes are old and faded. This is demonstrative adjective. Ninth one, that is a nice building, the one across the street. Here that is demonstrative pronoun. Tenth one, these are fresh strawberries from the grandfather's orchard. Here these is demonstrative pronoun. Now B question. Fill in the blanks with his, hers, ours, yours and theirs. One has been done for you. First, we live in this lane. That blue house at the end is ours. Then second, Tina has borrowed my pencil. She has misplaced hers. Third, Rahul and you will share the pizza. This is his share and this is mine. Fourth, I will bring my storybook in the evening. Don't forget yours. Fifth, we must not think of things as mine or yours. Everything is ours. Sixth sentence, I am sharing my marbles with Rishi. These are mine and these are his. Seventh, these are not our bags. They belong to those girls. Yes, they are theirs. Eighth, Hari has a new bicycle. That one is not his. Ninth, this is David's bag. Then the books inside it must be his. 10th, Joy and I painted these two baskets. The pink one is mine and the blue one is hers. 11th, our cousins live across the street. That yellow house is theirs. 12th, I put my brushes in this cup. I don't know whose cup it is. Is it yours?